Hello, Ben.
Hi.
How are you?
Doing great.
How
Thank
are
you.
you feeling? Okay, actually, um, ang questions ko are deep questions.
Mm.
And I know minsan lang tayo nagkikita or nagbabanding or sasama, minsan lang. But we also want to know your thoughts since you're already part of the friends. So, 5 questions lang naman.
Okay.
Okay, first question. What do you think each person in this group brings that makes us complete?
Mm. Interesting. Each person, so I'll start with maybe Kim, since she's the life of the party. um, I don't know. Medyo ano siya parang dahil bata pa siguro. Mas loosen up, mas carefree, and yun, siya yung loud and proud sa grupo.
I agree.
um, si Janela, si Janela pa rin lang youngest, di ba?
Yeah.
Si Janela naman, um, similar to Kim, but more of, siguro mas subtle version of Kim. And sila yung, I mean, partner in crime niya si Kim eh. So, parang heavily influenced sila sa, I mean, they heavily influence each other. So, kung life of the party si Kim, si Janela naman would be, um, siguro siya yung pakikay ng group. Next would be Ate Aimee. Si Ate Aimee na yes person. um, bihira yung hindi, bihira yung no niya. Hanggat kaya niya, I think, go lang siya. Especially sa mga lakad, gano'n, or sa mga favors, gano'n. So, siya yung nanay, and at the same time, ate. Kasi parang, kung si Janela is kikay, pakikay din tong si Ate Aimee eh. So, pero naman, since nanay siya, parang mas matured version of being a kikay. So, yun. Si naman, si Eltrain. Paano ba? Kung life of the party si Kim. Naman, si Eldrin. Kolokoy, gano'n. Tsaka yung kolokoy ng grupo. Tandem sila ni Jericho. So, siya rin yung pasimuno sa mga inuman. Pero at the same time, since tatay na siya, parang siya rin yung tumatayong haligi nung, I mean, kagaya ng kung anong role ng tatay sa isang pamilya, parang siya yung haligi ng tahanan. Gano'n. Kapag yung mga gulo, bully, pero at the same time, kapag may mga conflict or argument, kalmado lang. Sino pa ba? Si Jericho. Ayan, kung si Eldrin is siya yung pasimuno, yan, si Jericho Jericho naman sidekick, kumbaga Robin ni Batman, no? Tapos, although mas reserved naman si Jericho kasi siyempre, iniintindi rin naman natin yung sitwasyon, mga ganon. Pero, yun, okay din kasama si Jericho in terms of, ah, ano ba? Paano ba? Paano ba kay Jericho? Una ko na-meet,
No pressure, babe.
wala akong maiisip eh. Pero, ano naman si, parang maginoo. Pero medyo bastos. Parang gano'n. Tapos, si Ekang. Si Ekang, konting interactions ko with her kasi recent lang ko lang naman siya nakasama. Pero being a Kapampangan, fellow Tarlakenyo, so I think nag-click naman kami. And nalaman ko din na parehas kami pinanggalingan na institution, parehas kami ng alma mater, high school and college. So yun, kapag magkasama kami, siya yung madalas kong kausap in Kapampangan. Kasi yung mga kalokohan, tsaka yung ewan ko, ano lang, palagay naman yung loob ko, gano'n. Siya yung pinaka bago kong nakilala, pero isa rin siya sa mga pinakamaraming kong tawa together with. And sa grupo, ayan, hindi ko alam yung relationship mo with Ekam, pero kung ngayong nasa Cyberjaya ka na, parang since magkakasama sila sa KL site. So, sila yung Tres Marias din ni ano to? Janela and Kim. Ayan. Tapos ikaw, si Sweet, well, from the name itself, ikaw naman yung sweet sa grupo natin. Ganon. And, tawag dito, I think halos magkakailan kayo ni Janela and Kimi, but, hindi pala kayo magkakaedad kasi mas utanda ka, pero sila yung mga kasama mong madalas, so parang,
Blend.
Oo, nag-blend in na rin. So parang, yun.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Oo, compliment naman siya. Don't take it any other way. Sino ba? Ewan ko, parang sa inyo, sa grupo nyo, ikaw naman yung parang mature. Considering na ikaw yung pinakapatanda, gano'n. I mean, dun sa apat kayo, sina Kim, Tapos, at the same time, well, kagaya ni Ate Aimee, may pagka-fragile din, gano'n, iyakin. Pero, I think, wala namang talagang, having said all these, wala naman talagang alam mo yun, distinct traits yung bawat isa that really complement or complete yung group, but it's more of, I don't know, what I'm trying to say is, it's not the traits, it's not the attitude, it's not the background that actually complements or completes the group, but it is us. Parang tayo mismo. The fact that may acceptance tayo towards each other. Kagaya ni Kimi, siya yung maingay, tanggap natin yon. Si Ate Aimee na ang tawag dito, sometimes fragile, ganun, tanggap din natin yon. And we don't take anything, we don't take things against each other. And yun. I think that yun yung essence ng group natin. It's more of we accept and embrace the person uh, who we are with. So yun. Ang haba, di ba?
Yung isa-isa mo talaga.
Ay, ganun ba? Akala ko kasi isa-isa.
Hindi. Oh, pwede naman. You can
Okay.
answer it the way as you wanted to answer.
Okay. May na-miss ba ako? Kasi baka may na-miss ako sa group.
Kim Carlo?
Si Kim Carlo. Wala kaming gaanong interactions ni Kim Carlo. Pero, ano rin yan, Kengkoy din yan eh. Kumbaga, ayan, kahabig naman niya si Vic Soto. So, ano rin, Joker ng grupo. Pero yun, may mga bagay na ini-embrace tayo doon sa mga taong gusto na nakakasama natin. Parang yun. Yun lang.
Okay. Alright. So, next question. What was the moment you felt like these are my people?
What was the moment when I felt like that these are my people? I think there is no defining moment that could tell that you are my people. Because parang ano yan eh, parang culmination ng ano ba yun, parang it's a series of activities, it's a series of happenings that brought us together, closer together. And yun, I just found that I'm comfortable with you. I mean, I'm comfortable with me being myself around you guys. So that's how I think I could consider you as my people. But there's no defining moment. I mean, or there's no specific moment that could parang totally say that this was the moment that I realized that you are my people. Yeah.
Next question. What's your favorite memory of us together?
Favorite memory nako. Favorite memory. I think I mean, this could count as my most favorite kasi bilang lang din naman yung times na nakasama ko kayo. But kasi tayo, parang something personal for me na sumama sa trip na to. Although nakailang beses na kami nagmelaka and there's nothing really to explore here. Pero yun nga, kasi uwi na ako, ganon. And uwi na rin si Eldring. Parang it's just nice na magkita-kita ulit before we leave, parang ganon. Pero I think mas naging close ako nung nag-start mag-pickleball. Although hindi ako consistent. Pero fun 'yon for me. Lalo na nung time na tinuruan ako ni Eldrin, gano'n. I didn't know that he had this side na pwede ko lang maging coach to ng something. Sabi ko, may kapupulutan pala ng aral to, gano'n. Mga ganong moment. Oo, pero yun. I think yun yung isa sa mga, yun nga. Pero hindi lang siya one time event. So, pero yung pickleball itself, I think made people made us to be closer together.
True. Next is, what do you think makes our group different from other friend group?
I don't know. Wala akong idea because um there's a good reason why I am not ay part naman ako ng other group but which group ba? Wala. So
Or-
I think social butterfly ako so I could
Be ever.
oo parang nagbe-blend in naman ako with people but I don't know. I mean, I can't think of any parang reason or any ano nga? Ano yung question?
What do you think makes our group different from
Ah.
other friend group?
Things that make us different. I don't think that yun lang parang I think the people that are in it. Nothing really more than because other people, I mean other friend groups I I know that they have their own dynamics, relationship dynamics, ganun. So if it works for them, it works for them. If it, and this works for us, so parang to each his own na lang, ganun.
Last question, please.
Okay.
If you could leave one message for everyone watching this video 5 or 10 years from now, what would you want us to remember?
I think I would say thank you. Thank you for making my KL life a little more bearable. Kasi well, as fellow OFWs, hindi naman talaga hindi madaling mawalay sa pamilya, ganon. But thank you for being my chosen family here because I became part of this group by choice, not only by my own choice but also because of your choices to accept me in the group. So yeah, thank you. And sana in 5 to 10 years kaya niyo pang mag-pickleball. So that we could have a reunion perhaps. So yeah.
Thank you so much, babe.
Okay.
Done na.